Bitcoin took a rain check on snap upside at the February 9th Wall Street open as 24-hour gains hit 6%. Given that data from CryptoMoon Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC price trajectory retracing after reaching $47,700. The move, driven by spot markets, barely stopped for breath overnight as successive Asia and United States trading sessions posed little problem for bulls. At the time of writing, $47,400 formed the focus as volatility remained, with Bitcoin still sizing up its highest levels since late 2021. The week's performance additionally marked Bitcoin's critics' strongest since last October. BTC spot delta A's. You can see it is mostly spot driven. Every strong push-up hasn't retraced, but rather kept on going higher. Strong bounce from the mid-range, attacking $48,000 again. As expected, popular trader Yele wrote in part of his latest analysis on X, formerly Twitter. Gel additionally described the current price range as a moment of truth. And fellow trader Skew, meanwhile, warned that the entire day would likely stay pretty volatile. BTC market still driven by taker flow, primarily looking for absorption of sellers here for actual drive higher. Likely pretty volatile today. And more sober on the immediate outlook was Keith Allen, CEO and co-founder of Trading Resource Material Indicators, who observed significant sell-side liquidity immediately below the 2-year range highs, $50,000. Something to consider before you FOMO into BTC at this level. There is $175 million in BTC ask liquidity, aka resistance, stacked between here and 50K, and only $50 million in the bid support, down to $43,000. Part of his own ex-post read. And Allen nonetheless suggested that a weekly close above $45,000 would be beneficial to bulls, with whales easily able to take the market higher should $50,000 appear, to the detriment of short positions. If you're considering a short, be prepared to get squeezed if whales manage to push above 50K. There is currently very little friction up to 55K. He concluded an accompanying chart laid out buy and sell liquidity and cumulative volume delta, or CVD, on the BTC USDT order book of the largest global exchange, Binance. The day's flows among the newly launched U.S. spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds, ETFs, meanwhile, continued an encouraging narrative for bulls. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust saw outflows in line with expectations, while the previous day's cumulative net flows among the remaining 9 ETFs were the third largest since their January 11 launch, added per data uploaded to X by Bloomberg Intelligence ETF analyst James Seifert. This is the third biggest inflow day for the group since their launch. First day was plus $655 million, and $1.17 was plus $453. And still a big day. As CryptoMoon reported, the ETFs from BlackRock and Fidelity Investments recorded the most successful first month's trading of any ETF product in the past 30 years.